A model dropped 4 days ago, scoring 82.4 on SWE-bench Verified. That beats Claude Opus 4.7. Runs on your local machine. Zero cloud, zero API fees. Zero data leaving your hands. This is Ornith 1.0. Pair it with Claude Code, and you get a self-correcting AI brain, wired into a world-class runtime harness, on hardware you already own. Here's what nobody is saying. Ornith doesn't just execute tasks. It writes its own workflow before it starts solving. Deep Reinforce released it June 25, 2026. 4 model sizes. MIT license. Weights on Hugging Face. Built on Gemma 4 and Qwen 3.5. Post-trained with a method called self-scaffolding. Most AI agents rely on scaffolds built by humans. Hard-coded loops, fixed retry logic, predefined memory. Someone wrote those rules. The model just follows them. That's a ceiling. Ornith tears out that ceiling. 2-stage training on every rollout. Stage 1. Propose a scaffold. Its own plan, its own structure. Stage 2. Solve conditioned on that scaffold. Reward flows backward through both simultaneously. No human ever defined the scaffold. Stay with me. How they stop reward hacking inside Ornith is unlike anything in any open-weight model before it. Coming right after the model breakdown. 4 tiers, 9 billion dents, single GPU, consumer RTX or M3 MacBook. Outperforms models 2 to 3 times its size on coding benchmarks. 31 billion dents, 2 to 4 GPUs, multi-file refactors, dependency analysis, serious debugging. 35 billion mixture of experts. Only 3 billion active parameters per token. Routing pulls from a massive expert pool. 1 4 GPU rig. Your efficiency sweet spot. 397B MOE flagship. Multi-node. 82.4 on SWE-bench Verified. Long horizon production pipelines. Now, reward hacking. RL models love a dirty trick. Instead of solving the task, they fool the verifier, game the reward. Like a student memorizing the answer key. 3-layer defense inside Ornith. A fixed trust boundary the model cannot negotiate. A deterministic monitor vetoing banned actions before scoring. And a frozen LLM judge, locked during training, as the final veto. Anyone kills a bad rollout. Benchmark numbers are real. Now the architecture piece that makes this stack dangerous. Claude Code speaks Anthropic's Messages API. vLLM speaks OpenAI chat completions. They need a bridge. Set Anthropic _base _URL to your local vLLM server. http://localhost:8000. Dummy API key. Nothing leaves your machine. 2 things must be right. Launch vLLM with Enable Auto Tool Choice, or function calls silently fail. Set the correct tool call parser. Ornith 35B MOE uses Hermes format. The 9B and 31B use Mistral. Wrong parser, no error, nothing works. One thing almost nobody warns you about. Claude Code adds attribution headers that change per request. They invalidate your KV cache every single turn. Inference tanks. Fix. A lightweight proxy that strips those headers before they hit your inference engine. Cache stays hot. The full routed production stack. Claude Code at the front. Requests hit an open source router. Claude Code router is built for this. Simple tasks. Diff summaries, doc strings, branch naming. Route to local Ornith 9B or 35B. Zero API cost. Instant. Complex tasks. Multi-file refactors, long horizon planning, cross-repo reasoning. Route to your 397B cluster. Need frontier capability beyond that? Push selectively to a closed model. You set the threshold. You own the rule. This is sovereign AI infrastructure, not hostage to one provider's pricing or uptime. You own the brain, the runtime, the data, cost math, Teams running Claude Code against Anthropic's API burn tens of thousands monthly in tokens. With local Ornith on the 35 billion MOE, per token cost is near zero. ROI on a 4 GPU workstation? Weeks, not years. The self-generated scaffold solves long horizon coherence. Traditional agents drift after a few steps. Ornith scaffold persists as an anchor. Every subtask runs against the plan the model wrote itself. Context fills. The scaffold tells it exactly where it is. Paired with Claude Code's native shell tools and file operations, you have a system that runs real production tasks end to end. Not a coding assistant, a production-grade engineering agent on your hardware. Ornith 1.0 is live on Hugging Face. All 4 tiers. MIT license. vLLM recipes documented. Claude Code integration. 20 minutes once your server is running. Thank you.